Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add payment methods to your Wix website so your customers can pay you directly, fast and secure. Whether you are selling products, services or bookings, this guide covers everything step by step. First of all, log into your Wix account and head over to your site dashboard. Select the website where you want to enable payment options. After loading, now on the left hand menu, select dashboard, then settings, and then click accept payments. This is where you will manage all your payment methods. You will see a list of available payment methods which offers a few built-in options depending on your region like Wix Payments, PayPal, Stripe, manual methods like cash or bank transfer. To connect Wix Payments, click on Connect and follow the setup. You will need to provide business information, bank account details, and some basic verification documents. It usually takes a day or two for approval. To connect PayPal, just click Connect beside it. Then log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password, then click Login. And grant permission. Once connected, customer can pay using their PayPal balance or linked card. If you want to offer manual payments like cash on delivery or direct bank transfer, scroll down and click Add Manual Payment Method. Name it and give instructions for your customers like sending payment receipts or connecting you. Make sure all the payment methods you want are toggled on and click Save. That's it. Your customers can now check out using those methods. Before you go live, always test your checkout. Then connect payment methods. Then cache description and add instructions for your customers. Then click connect. Manual payments connected. It's time to upgrade your site. Upgrade your plan to start accepting payments with manual payments. All premium plans have a 14 days money back guarantee. Add a product to your cart and see if your payment options are showing properly. And that's how you set up payment methods on your website. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and happy building.